call. Open your eyes. Truth can't hide forever. The fire still ablaze. Me born where the struggle never sleep. Promises cheap, but the scars run deep. Still me plant hope in a dry hard ground, knowing one day joy will come around. Them build high walls, them lock high gate. Still love arrive no matter the wait. True travel slow like the old time breeze, yet it bend the strongest trees. The Babylon can't stop the fire, can't cool down me one desire. Justice rise like morning sun, till every battle finally done. One voice become 1,000 more, echo from shore to distant shore. Stand together, young and old, a fearless heart can't be bought or sold. No crown needed for me head, wisdom sweeter than daily bread. Me treasure live inside me soul, that in a light make broken mold. Hear the drums from valley low, calling every seed fi grow. Children laugh despite the pain, dreaming brighter after it. If the night seem long and cold, keep the story elders told. Every sunrise prove again, life return after the rain. Hold the neighbor, hold them near. Love is louder than all fear. When we stand as one today, darkness slowly fade away. River never asks who drink, tree give shade without a blink. Earth remind me every day, give more love than you take away. Walk humble, speak what's true, let compassion carry you. Every step become a seed, growing hope where people need. Babylon can't stop the fire, can't cool down me one desire. Justice rise like morning sun, till every battle finally done. Raise your voice across the land, future built by every hand. One love stronger than divide, truth forever be we guide. The drum still beat, the people still rise, the truth still shine, the fire still burn. One love, oh oh oh, one people, oh oh oh, one future, Rastafari. Yeah man, feel the cool breeze, hear the heartbeat of the island. Every sunrise bring a new blessing, every soul have a purpose. Walk in love, walk in light. Whoa, whoa. Morning breeze come through me door, tell me life is worth much more. Golden sunlight kiss the ground, every blessing all around. River singing soft and low, teaching every seed to grow. Every mountain touch the sky, every eagle learn to fly. Footprints mark the sandy shore, dreams keep calling evermore. Though the journey long and wide, hope will always be me guide. When the clouds begin to rise, keep your vision on the skies. Storms may come and storms may go, still the roots continue grow. Guided by the breeze tonight, walking toward the morning light. One love beating in our chest, giving every soul its best. Lift your voice and sing along, turn your weakness Mama smile through every test. Teach me faith is always best. Papa build with patient hands. Hope is stronger than the sands. Pick me running through the rain, turning laughter into gain. Every heartbeat pure and free, like the waves upon the sea. Neighbor greet with open smile, talking on the porch a while. Sharing fruit and sharing bread, kind words living where fear fled. Moonlight cover hills in white, stars illuminating night. Ocean whisper ancient rhyme, echoing beyond all time. Palm tree dancing slow and free, moving with humility. Thunder shake the mountainside, still we stand in hope and pride. Rainbow stretch across the air, promise shining everywhere. Nature speak without a sound, truth in every leaf be found. If your heart become afraid, remember love will never fade. Hold your brother by the hand, help him rise and proudly stand. Every smile can light the way, every dawn become new day. Share your blessings while you can, every woman, child and man. Drumbeat roll across the square, positive vibration fill the air. Bassline deep like ocean tide, moving every soul inside. Guitar sing a melody underneath this silver moon. Voices join in harmony, strong like one big family. Fire glowing through the night, faces shining warm and bright. Music carry every prayer, spreading peace everywhere. Never sell your soul for fame, stay forever true the same. Gold can rust and kingdoms fall, love remains above it all. Speak with truth in every word, let compassion still be heard. Leave behind a path so bright, guide another toward the light. Teach the youth to dream again, stand up strong through joy and pain. Plant good seeds in every land, build tomorrow hand in hand. When the evening shadows grow, still a grateful spirit show. Every breath that gift receive, never stop, always believe. Life's a rhythm strong and true, always finding something new. Every sunrise write a page, hope no matter what your age. Guided by the breeze tonight, walking toward the morning light. One love beating in our chest, giving every soul its best. Lift your voice and sing along, turn your weakness into strength strong. Side by side till journey done, together shining like the sun. The breeze still blowing, the river still flowing, the drums still calling, the people still singing. One faith, one love, one family, one future. God bless forever and ever. Yeah, man, close your eyes. Yeah, man, close your eyes. Feel the heartbeat of the islands, hear the breeze through the trees. Every struggle have an ending, every dawn bring a blessing. Keep the faith. First light break up on the sea, morning set the spirit free. Golden colors fill the sky, lift me dreams so them can fly. River sing a quiet song, tell me where my heart belong. Every breeze that touch me skin, whisper, never stop believing. Rocky road beneath me feet, still Every mile me travel far, guided by the morning star. When the world seems cold and gray, love will always find a way. Stand up tall and never run. Night will bow before the sun will shine again, my friend. Every storm must surely end. One love stronger every day, guide we on the righteous way. Raise your hands into the air, spread good vibes everywhere. Heart to heart and soul to soul, love will always make we whole. Mama smile despite the strain, still she dancing falling rain. Papa labor from the light, still the minds them full of light. Me laugh beside the stream, living every little dream. Running free from fear and pride, drive forever be them guide. Neighbor knock up on the gate, never come with fear or hate. Every meal and every song show the place where hearts belong. Moonlight sparkle pon the bay, wash the worries all away. Stars are shine like diamonds bright, watching over every night. Palm trees sway with gentle grace, smiling at the human race. Thunder road and disappear, leaving brighter sky so clear. Rainbow rise after the rain, healing every hidden pain. Nature teach without a soul, precious wisdom all around. If your brother lose him road, help him carry off the load. If your sister shed a tear, stand beside her, calm her fear. Open every waiting door, share your blessings more and more. Every act of kindness grows like a mighty river flows. Drums begin to shake the night, fill the darkness with pure light. Bassline rolling calm and deep, wake the dreams that used to sleep. Guitar sing with mellow tone, tell we nobody stand alone. Voices blend in harmony, like one giant family. Bonfire glowing warm and bright, faces shining in the light. Every chorus, every cheer, fill the atmosphere with prayer. Don't let anger rule your days, walk in humble honest ways. Gold and silver fade away, love is wealth that always stay. Teach the youth to stand up tall, rise again each time them fall. Plant good seeds in every land, build tomorrow hand in hand. Truth will bloom in every heart, every ending bring a start. Hope will never fade away, as long as we choose love each day. When the evening breeze arrive, give thanks simply for be alive. Every sunrise, every breath, stronger still than fear or death. From the mountains to the sea, sing one song of unity. Every nation, every tongue, join together as one. The sun will shine again, my friend. Every star must show the end. One love stronger every day, guide we on the righteous way. Raise your hands into the air, spread good vibes everywhere. Heart to heart and soul to soul, love will always make we whole. The sunrise never fell, the river never stopped, the drum never silence, the spirit never break. Walk with courage, walk with mercy, walk with love. One love, one people, one heartbeat. Jah blessings forever. Yeah, man. Rise up, feel the heartbeat of the earth. Feel the wind upon your face. The road may be long, but the light still shines. carry it wherever you go. Morning sun I climb the sky, golden colors passing by. River whisper soft and low, trust the journey, let it flow. Every leaf upon the tree, dancing sweet serenity. Mountain standing proud and high, touching clouds above the sky. Every step if I would take, every dawn a fresh new way. Though the road be rough and steep, faith within me heart me keep. When the night seem cold and long, let your courage be your sound. Hold the truth and never stray, love will always lead the way. Carry the light wherever you roam, love can make the whole world home. One heart beating pure and free, strong like roots beside the sea. Lift your hands beneath the sky, watch your dreams begin to fly. Side by side we journey on, till the breaking of the dawn. Mama smile despite the strain, still she dance beneath the rain. Papa rise before daylight, working hard with all his might. Picnic laughter fill the air, simple joy beyond compare. Running barefoot through the field, happiness no else can yield. Neighbor greet with warm embrace, every smile light up the place. Sharing food and sharing time, living all life sweet is fine. Moonlight shining on the bay, silver waves begin to play. Ocean sing a timeless tune, stars keep watch beneath the moon. Palm tree bend but never break, strong enough for every shake. Thunder roar and drift away, sun return another day. Rainbow paint the sky so wide, hope forever by we side. Nature whisper calm and clear, keep believing, never fear. If you stumble, rise again, strength is born through every pain. If your brother lose him way, walk beside him every day. Share your hope instead of pride, keep compassion as your guide. Oh, every act of love you sow, one day into forest grow. Drum beat echo through the square, positive vibes everywhere. Bassline rolling deep and slow, making every heartbeat glow. Guitar strum with gentle grace, smiles appear on every face. Voices rising loud and clear, filling every soul with cheer. Bonfire burning through the night, eyes reflecting golden light. Music flowing without end. Every stranger know a friend. Never trade your soul for gold, riches heart can't be sold. Walk with honesty each day, never let love fade away. Teach the children of care, show them peace is everywhere. Plant good seeds in every land, build tomorrow hand in hand. When the sunset paint the sea, give thanks for what will be. Every ending bring new start, keep the rhythm in your heart. Tomorrow waiting just ahead, walk by faith where hope is led. Every sunrise, every breath, celebrate the gift of life. Carry the light wherever you roam, love can make the whole world home. One heart beating pure and free, strong like roots beside the sea. Lift your hands beneath the sky, watch your dreams begin to fly. Side by side we journey on, till the breaking of the dawn. Carry the light, carry the love, carry the truth, carry the hope. The river still flow, the drums still beat, the people still sing. One love, one rhythm, one fire. family forever. Yeah, man. Listen to the wind, listen to the earth. Every heartbeat carry history. Every sunrise carry hope. Roots run deep, forever strong. Oh, oh da 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 da. For da 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 da. First light break upon the hill. Nature moved by Jah own will. Morning dew upon the cane, wash away the fear and pain. River carve the ancient stone, teach me strength when me alone. Every breeze that cross the sea carry songs of liberty. Walk me path with steady pace, faith and truth me always chase. Though the road be rough and long, still my spirit singing strong. Hold the fire in your soul, never let the darkness rule. Stand up firm like mighty tree, strong in love and dignity. Yeah, roots run deep beneath the ground, love and truth in every song. One heart beating like the drum, calling every nation come. Lift your voice into the sky, dream so big it touch the sky. Step by step and hand in hand, peace will cover every land. Mama tell me walk with pride, keep compassion by your side. Papa said no matter rain, hope will blossom once again. Children laugh beside the stream, living every little dream. Simple moments fill the day, drive all heavy thoughts away. Neighbor greet with open smile, sit and reason for a while. Every story, every song remind me where we all belong. Ocean sing beneath the moon, morning always coming soon. Stars like lanterns high above, lighting every road with love. Palm trees sway against the breeze, strong because it bend with ease. Thunder roll up across the sky, still the eagle learns to fly. After rain the rainbow shine, every season have its time. Nature right with silent hand, beauty spread across the land. If your brother lose him smile, walk beside him every mile. If your sister carry pain, help her dance in rain again. Open every hopeful door, share your blessings more and more. Love grow bigger when it's shared, show the world somebody cared. Drum must strike the heartbeat deep, wake the dreams that used to sleep. Bassline roll like distant sea, fill the soul with energy. Guitar cry and guitar sing, joy to every heart it brings. Voices rise beneath the stars, healing every hidden scar. Bonfire glow until daylight, faces filled with pure delight. Music carry every prayer, spread good vibes everywhere. No let envy cloud your eyes, truth alone is real prize. Gold can fade and fame can fall, love remain above it all. Plant good seeds in every place, water them with truth and grace. One small act of kindness shown can become a forest grown. Teach the youth to stand up tall, never fear when duty calls. Give them wisdom, give them light, guide From the concrete to the countryside, we're still there. Pressure build diamonds. Listen. Pressure build diamonds. Listen. Concrete hot under my shoes. Every sunrise another move. Pocket light but my spirit rich. Never sell me soul, forget rich quick. Them talk loud but me walk calm. Truth in on me and like a healing balm. Scars from me heart, fire in on my chest. Still me wake up and give life my best. Me know the road full of twist and bend. Fate smile fade but the real one stay. Every lesson turn into strength. Me write me future line by line. Pressure bust pipe but it never bust me. Stand firm like a tall breadfruit tree. Rain might fall, wine might blow. Still my roots sink deep below. Pressure bust pipe, hear me cry. Never stop reaching for the sky. Step by step, day by day. Me nah let nobody block my way. Late night hustle, early sunrise. Dreams too big, fit in a lies. Every setback build me soul. Every chapter make me whole. Knowing the living on my brain, me rather build and complain. Watch the fire, watch it blaze brighter through the darkest days. Yeah. Me hear the rhythm call me name. Music keep alive the flame. Bassline every shake the ground. Positive vibes all around. No chain can lock me vision. No fear can stop me mission. Me heart beat with determination. Love stronger than frustration. If you fall, rise once more. Knock again on every door. Victory favor those who stay. Working hard every single day. Pressure bust high but me still rise high. See determination in me eye. Storm can't drown the fire inside. Faith and courage be me guide. Pressure bust fight, hear the sound. Still my feet stay upon solid ground. One love, one dream, one year. Tomorrow brighter than today. No retreat, no surrender. Keep the fire alive, keep the vision clear. Real people, real dreams, real strength. Rise up every day, every time. Beat the drum, raise the flag, oh, oh. No fear now we are. No shadow can bury the light. Stand firm, stand tall. Another sunrise paint the hills. Another youth chase bigger dreams. Dust rise high beneath me feet. Still me march to reggae beat. Them throw stones up on the road. Still me carry out me load. Wind a whisper through the cane. Every loss can turn to gain. Me eyes fixed on brighter days. Walking through the smoky haze. Every scar become a sign. Showing strength is born through time. Hear the drum before the dawn. Calling every weary one. Stand together, shoulders strong. Unity become the sound. Beat the drum till the mountain shake. No force can make the spirit break. Raise your voice like thunder roll. Freedom living in the soul. Beat the drum till the sunrise glow. Plant good seeds and watch them grow. One heartbeat, one destiny. Strong as the endless sea. Street light fade as daylight rise. Truth reflected in me eyes. Old guitar and wooden chair. Still I feel Children dancing in a noon. Simple life but rich in grace. Joy can live in every place. No crown sits upon me head. Still my spirit always fed. Hope nowhere expensive clothes. Still it bloom just like a rose. If the road get rough today, faith will always find a way. Lift the weak and share the bread. Hope is stronger when it's spread. Every vice become a flame. Every soul deserve a name. Stand together through the fight. Darkness fear the smallest light. River carry ancient song, teaching where we all belong. Ocean answer with a roar. Never stop reaching for more. Palm tree bend but never break. Strong enough for every shade. Thunder fade and rain depart. Sunshine heal the wounded heart. Beat the drum till the mountain shake. No force can make the spirit break. Raise your voice like thunder roll. Freedom living in the soul. Beat the drum till the sunrise glow. Plant good seeds and watch them grow. Step by step and side by side. Truth and courage, here we guide. The drum still echo, the drum still echo, the fire still blaze, the drum still echo. The journey continue, no chains, no fear, no surrender. Beat the drum and let the world remember. Oh. Sirens in the distance, street lights never sleep. Another night, another story. Listen. Oh, oh. Concrete walls like silent tears. Youths grow older before them years. Empty pocket, heavy mind. Still searching what them can't find. Mama praying by the window pane, waiting through the pouring rain. Papa gone before sunrise. Hope still burning in them eyes. Who hear the cry when the city sleep? Who plant the dream where the wounds run deep? Still we rise, still we breathe, still believe what we believe. Concrete jungle, yeah we call. Even if tomorrow fall, hope no dead, it still survive. Keeping every dream alive. Fire burning every soul. Broken hearts still reach the goal. Step by step through dust and pain. Sun will rise again. Street corner full of old guitars. Young guys staring at the stars. Every melody carried prayer, floating softly through the air. Old man tell a story true. Never make hate conquer you. Little child with barefoot feet still find rhythm in all the street. No matter how the night look long, morning always bring a song. Every scar become a sign, showing strength can outlast time. Da 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 da. born, journey continue. No surrender, no silence, only hope. The story not done. Rastafari, hear the silence before the drum. Every generation write another page, stand firm. The spirit can't lock away. Smoke rise high from the city street. Hungry eyes and tired feet, still the morning find a way to bring another hopeful day. Broken dreams lie on the ground, still true love can still be found. Every tear become a stream, flowing toward a brighter dream. Them can't lock the gate tonight, but them can't lock the morning light. Truth no hide beneath no stone, justice always find its own. Hear the voices in the wind, calling every heart within. Rise together, stand as one. Darkest night still fear the sun. Chains can't hold the soul inside. Truth and love will always guide. Storm may rage and thunder roll, still them can't control the soul. Stand like mountains firm and high, lift your dreams into the sky. One love echo, loud and clear. Hope will conquer every fear. Old man sit beneath the tree, talking about what he used to be. Youth them searching for a sign, looking for a brighter time. Mama whisper, keep the faith, don't let anger shape your fate. Papa answer, walk upright. Every sunrise bring you light. Children draw with sticks and sand, dreaming of a kinder land. Every picture, every smile, make the burden worth the while. River never stop to flow, even when the winds them blow. Trees still grow through rock and clay, finding life another way. So if the road gets hard to climb, take one step, one day, one time. Every heartbeat, every breath, life is stronger still than death. Drums are roll across the night, calling souls into the light. Bassline shake the dusty ground, healing hearts without a sound. Stars above, no choose a name. Every soul deserve the same under one eternal sky. Every child should learn to fly. Oh, chains can't hold the soul inside. Truth and love will always guide. Storm may rage and thunder roll, still them can't control the soul. Raise your voice and let it ring. Freedom live in everything, one heart beating, bold and free, like the waves upon the sea. No prison for the spirit, no prison for the spirit, no silence for the truth, no darkness for the light. The drum still beat, the fire still blaze, the people still rise. One love, one truth, one destiny, forever. Yeah, man, open your eyes, the morning a call. Every heartbeat carry hope, every step carry purpose. One love, let's move forward. Sunrise glowing on the hill, everything moved by Jah will. Morning breeze across the plain, wash away the fear and pain. Little river winding slow, teaching every seed fi grow. Bird them rise upon the wing, every dawn a reason fi sing. Yeah, barefoot journey through the sun, hope alive in every hand. Oh, though the pathway twist and bend, faith will stay until the end. Stand like cedar in the rain, smile through every joy and pain. Don't surrender, never hide, keep the truth close by your side. Tomorrow is ours, don't lose your way. Brighter sun will shine someday. One love lifting every soul, making every broken hole. Raise the banner, sing out loud, stand up strong and make Jah proud. Hand in hand we cross the sea, living in true harmony. Hey. Mama, gentle song, teach the young where them belong. Papa work from dawn till night, still him face shine warm and bright. Children laugh beneath the tree, wild and full of energy. Simple life but rich inside, love alone become them guide. Neighbors gather every night, sharing stories by firelight. Every voice and every smile make the struggle worth the while. Hey. Ocean dancing with the moon, morning always coming soon. Stars like lanterns high above, lighting every path with love. Palm leaves whisper to the breeze, moving softly with such ease. Thunder roll, then fade away, hope still greet another day. After rain, the rainbow glow, showing better roads to go. Nature sing without a word, strongest message ever heard. If your burden feel too great, don't let sorrow seal your fate. Every mountain has a peak, strength belongs unto the meek. Share your kindness every day, light another traveler's way. Every heart can be a flame, love no matter race or name. Drummer strike the heartbeat strong, calling every soul along. Bassline rolling deep and clean, like no other sound has been. Guitar echo through the night, fill the darkness with your light. Voices rising, pure and free, joined in sweet unity. Dance until the morning glow, let the positive vibes flow. Leave behind the fear and doubt, let the joy come pouring out. Don't let riches rule your mind, greatest wealth is being kind. Truth and honor never fade, better than a crown of jade. Don't let riches rule your mind. Greatest wealth is being kind. Truth and honor never fade, better than a crown of jade. Walk with courage, speak with grace, carry peace in every place. Every promise that you keep, grow like roots both strong and deep. Teach the children all we care, show them hope is everywhere. Let them dreams become the flame, lighting futures in Jah name. Years may pass like rushing stream, never lose your childhood dream. Though the world keeps changing fast, love alone is built to last. Every sunset, every dawn, tell us life keeps moving on. Lift your eyes and clearly see, tomorrow starts with you and me. Tomorrow is ours, don't lose your way. Oh, the brighter sun will shine someday. One love lifting every soul, play. Walk in faith, walk in peace, walk in love. One heart, one people, one future. Tomorrow is ours. Yeah, man. Give thanks for the breath of life. Hear the waves, hear the wind, hear the voices of the people. Every sunrise is a blessing. The earth still sings. Yeah. Morning dew on banana leaf, wash away yesterday's grief. Golden sunrise touch the bay, guide me through another day. River winding through the trees, talking softly with the breeze. Every bird a joyful song, life and love all around. Stone road rough beneath me feet, still me heart keeps steady beat. Every mile me travel far, hope still shine like morning star. Stand up firm, those storm clouds roll, never lose your peaceful soul. Keep the fire burning bright, shine through every darkest night. The earth still sing, hear the song, tell we all where we belong. One love rise like morning sun, many voices beating one. Raise your spirit, lift it high, dream beyond the open sky. Hand in hand we journey on, till the first light of the dawn. Mama water every flower, giving thanks in every hour. Papa build with heart and hand, hope grow strong across the land. Picnic laughing in the rain, finding joy beyond all gain. Running free from hill to shore, dreaming bigger than before. Neighbor call across the lane, sharing smiles again and again. Bread and fruit upon the table, giving more than them are able. Moonlight dancing upon the sea, stars write songs of destiny. Palm leaves whisper all night long, moving gently with the song. Thunder shake the mountainside, still we stand with hope and pride after every heavy rain. Sunshine warm the earth again, rainbow stretch from east to west. Promise living in every chest, nature teach without a word, greatest wisdom ever heard. If your burden heavy be, come and walk beside we. Every shoulder share the weight, love is stronger than hate. Light another candle flame, every heart can do the same. Small beginnings always grow, like the rivers to the flow. Drummer beat the ancient song, echo roll across the ground. Bassline deep like rolling tide, movie spirit deep inside. Beat a humming sweet and low, let the positive vibes flow. Voices rising pure and clear, feel the atmosphere with cheer. Dance until the sunrise glow, let the happiness overflow. Music bind we all as one, under moon and under sun. Never let greed rule the days, walking honest tumble ways. Riches fade like morning mist, love remain in every wish. Teach the youth feet stand up tall, lift them every time them fall. Plant good seeds in every soul, helping every dream unfold. Speak with kindness, live with grace, bring bright smiles to every face. Leave behind a faithful way, others follow every day. Even when the road seems long, keep your courage, keep your song. Every sunrise brings you chance, life itself a joyful dance. As the river reach the sea, so we see true unity. Every heartbeat, every voice, birds still sing, hear the song. Tell we all where we belong. One love rise like morning sun. Many voices beat in one. Raise the spirit, lift it high. Dream beyond the open sky. Hand in hand, the journey on till the first light of the dawn. The wind still blow, the river still flow, the mountains still stand, the people still chant. Keep the faith alive, keep the roots alive, keep the music alive. One love, one heartbeat, one world, forever.
Oh yeah, baby, come closer. Under the moonlight, just you and me. One love forever. Moonlight shining on your face, every smile full of grace. When you hold me in your arms, nothing else can do me harm. Gentle breeze across the sea brings your sweet love back to me. Every heartbeat calls your name. Since you came, I'm not the same, girl. Don't let go tonight. You make every wrong feel right. When you whisper in my ear, every worry disappear. Only you tonight, my love, sent to me from up above. Hold me close and don't let go. You're the sweetest love I know. Dance with me until sunrise. I get lost inside your eyes. Every kiss feels fresh and new. My whole heart belongs to you. Every sunset, every dawn, you're the reason I move on. When the whole world turns so cold, your warm touch is better than gold. Walking hand in hand so slow, watching evening rivers flow. Every dream I dream is true. Every road leads back to you. If the rain begins to fall, I'll be there to catch it all. If the stars should lose their light, I'll still love you every night. No distance can break this flame. Forever I'll call your name. My heart has found its perfect place, wrapped inside your warm embrace. Music floating through the air, I can feel your spirit there. Every rhythm, every beat makes our love feel so complete. People dancing all around, still you're all that I have found. In your smile I see my home. Never want to be alone. Only you tonight, my love, sent to me from hear the thunder. Them can silence the soul, but them can't silence the truth. Rise up. Get it up, get it up. Them build wall higher every year. Still me never bow to fear. We still carry freedom song. Tell me where me I belong. Heavy clouds cover the sky. Still the eagle learn to fly. Every battle leave a scar. Every scar become a star. Road rough like broken stone. Still my journey on me own. Fire burning in my chest. Giving every step my best. No chains by my spirit, no lack by my soul. No matter who try, them never take control. Me stand like the mountain through thunder and rain. Me fall 7 times, me rise again. No chains by my spirit, yeah the drum beat call. Strong like the lion, me never crawl. Freedom live deeper than flesh and bone. A righteous heart can never me own. Night patrol on the street light glow. Everybody searching where we go. Some chase silver, some chase fame. Still tomorrow stay the same. Old woman sweet the yard at dawn. Smile before the night is gone. She says son don't sell your name. Truth worth more than earthly gain. Children kick one ragged ball. Laughing low beside the wall. Them no rich but hope them on. Seeds of greatness already sown. Yeah. Fire refine, it never destroy. Pain can build instead of tie. Stand together, shoulders strong. Justice wait though a road seem long. River never ask to drink. Sun no pass, we stop and think. Earth provide for every seed if we plant instead of greed. Drum beat echo through the square. Carry courage through the air. Bassline shake the evening ground. Lift the weak with every song. Oh, no chains for me spirit, no lock for me soul. No matter who try, them never take control. Me stand like the mountain through thunder and rain. Me fall 7 times, me rise again. No chains for me spirit, yeah the people sing. Freedom no borrow from no king. As long as the heartbeat live inside, hope and truth will be me guide. When the night grow darker, the light burn brighter. When the road grow harder, me feet stand firmer. No surrender, no retreat. Me spirit free, forever free. Yeah man, give thanks for the new day. Feel the heartbeat of the earth. Hear the river, hear the drum. Every breath a blessing, every soul have a purpose. Yeah. Morning sunlight warm the shore. Open every hopeful door. Gentle breeze through coconut tree. Carry songs of liberty. River winding to the sea, flowing with humility. Every ripple tell a tale. Hope and faith shall never fail. Walk the road with peaceful stride.
Truth and love me faithful guide. Stone may bruise me weary feet, still me heart keep reggae beat. When the sky turn dark and gray, faith will light another way. Every sunrise after rain bring you joy again and again. River of blessings carry me on, keep me singing till the dawn. One love shining deep inside, hope forever be me guide. Lift your voice into the breeze, strong like ancient cedar trees. Hand in hand we'll proudly stand, building peace across the land. Mama sing while food I cook, love written in every look. Papa smile, the work be hard, still him tend the little yard. Picnic laugh from yard to lake, dancing freely in the rain. Every smile a morning sun, every day a race well run. Neighbor greet with a warm embrace, joy reflected on each face. Sharing fruit and sharing song, making every stranger belong. Moonlight glitter upon the tide, stars become the sailor guide. Ocean whisper calm and slow, teaching hearts so feet grow. Palm trees sway but never break, strong enough for every shake. Thunder rolling drift away, leaving bright another day. After rain the rainbow gleam, color every hopeful dream. Nature preach without a sound, the love in every leaf be found. If your neighbor lose them smile, walk beside them every mile. If your brother feel alone, let your kindness be him home. Give without expecting praise, fill another person's days. Every candle that you light, chase away another night. Hey, drum will strike the heartbeat deep, wake the dreams that used to sleep. Bassline rolling like the sea, set every troubled spirit free. Guitar on my mellow sound, positive vibes all around. Voices rising bold and clear, fill the atmosphere with cheer. On fire blowing through the night, faces shining warm and bright. Every chorus, every rhyme, echo through the hands of time. Never let pride cloud your eyes, truth alone the greatest prize. Silver fade and gold grow, love more precious can't be sold. Plant good seeds in every place, water them with truth and grace. Years from now them trees will stand, giving shade across the land. Teach the youth to seek what's right, walk in mercy, walk in light. Show them courage every day, never let them drift away. Even when the road gets steep, promises your heart must keep. Every valley lead uphill, everything moved by Jah will. When the evening stars appear, give thanks for another year. Every heartbeat, every breath, celebrate the gift of life. Hey, river of blessings carry me on, keep me singing till the dawn. One love shining deep inside, hope forever be me guide. Lift your voice into the breeze, strong like ancient cedar trees. Hand in hand we proudly stand, building peace across the land. The river still flowing, the sunrise still glowing. The drum still beating, the people still believe.